If you want your kids to make progress in reading and spellings, then you need to ditch ABC and start with Satpin. These are free printable worksheets which I am giving to my beautiful viewers. You can find these worksheets link in my description box down below. Kids learn better with actions and repetitions. So I encourage them to trace with using fingers and pencils while saying the sound. Come on everyone, see it, say it and trace it. S is for snake, snake. S is for snake, snake. A is for ant, ant. A is for ant, ant. T is for tent, tent. T is for tent, tent. P is for parrot, parrot. P is for parrot, parrot. I is for igloo, igloo. I is for igloo, igloo. N is for nose, nose. N is for nose, nose. So what I have experienced that the kids usually got confused with the M and N sounds. So as for the N sound, I used to make them believe that their nose are so itchy and you just need to soothe it down by saying the N word through your nose. So like nose. Now it's time for some blending magic. So what I'm going to do in the blending technique, I'm going to teach kids with using their hands to blend the letters and make a one word. Like for example, at, in, it, tap, tap, apt, sat, pin, sit, app, nap, tin, pan, spin, pant, ant, sap, nip. Fantastic work today everyone. Give yourself a pat. Stay tuned and subscribe our channel so you can catch our latest videos. Till then, bye.